Hello, my name is Tao, and today I'm going to introduce my investigation of set noodle and how to put a restaurant in The Hague. Here is the table of contents, and here is the introduction of this organization. The set noodle and how to put a restaurant is not a big restaurant. It just has 4 or 5 waitresses in the working time. This time I asked the process about what the waitress needs to do since a customer comes and until the customer leaves. Well, here is a flowchart with swim lanes of the waitress needs to do. Okay, we can see here. Well, the beginning is the customer come in, and then the waitress asks customer if she or he has the reservation. If the customer has the reservation, the waitress can guide them to the reserved table directly, and if they're not, the waitress needs to check if there is still any empty table available. If there's not, the waitress will tell the customer currently it's full, and the customer needs to decide if they want to wait. If they want to wait, they will enter this process again to wait until there's empty table. If they do not want to wait, they will directly to the final step leave. If there's any empty tables or the customer have the reservation, they will be guided by waitress to the table, and then they can start reading the menu. Then they can ring the bell to order food, and the waitress will come to serve. And then the customer can order food and drinks, and the waitress will write down the names of the food and drinks, and then they will give a copy of food and names to the kitchen. The kitchen will receive the food list, and they can prepare and cook the food. And after that, the waitress will serve the drinks first to the customer, and the customer can drink and wait the food. After that, the kitchen will finish the food, and they will call the waitress, and the waitress will serve the food, and the customer can enjoy the food. And if they need more food or drinks, they can ring the bell again, and the waitress will come to serve again, and the customer can order more food and drinks, and the process will come back to the ordering process. And after that, if the customer doesn't want any more food or drinks, they can check the bill, and the waitress will receive the cash or credit card, and after that, the customer can leave. Well, the next step is the information requirements. There are some information they need to create it or use. Okay, the first one is created by waitress and will be used by customer, same as the telephone number of the reservation and the reserved table number. And the third one the menu is created by waitress and will be used by customer. The food and drink order list, I think it's created both by waitress and customer, but the waitress is just writing them down. Okay, the total price of the bill is created by waitress and will be used by customer. Oh, and the food and drink order list is will be used by kitchen, of course, right? The reserve. Okay, then the final one is a cash or credit card to pay, which will be created by customer because they are the one to decide what they in what way they want to pay, and the waiters will use this information. Thanks. This is my investigation of this organization.